90% of life is confidence. And the thing about confidence is no one.
Me, Dacity. You guys, we're literally going to a wedding right now, and it's 2:56. So yeah, we're just going. Like, yo, it's so late, but yeah, we made a promise that we're gonna go to that wedding, and my brother is the MC of that wedding, so we have no choice. We have to go. So today, Vel, I'm doing a vlog. Although I'll be sleeping in the car. One thing about me is that I will sleep in that car. Ain't no way I'm skipping my sleep. And then I'll record when we get there and record some content and everything else. So see y'all there. This is what I'll be wearing for now, not for today. I'll change into the outfit for the wedding, and then yeah. Let's go. I'm done. Yeah, let's go.
You know me. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. When I say I have a surprise, it's something juicy.
My brother's
Something
vlogging as
befitting
well.
for the occasion.
Yeah.
Something befitting for the occasion. So you
Guys, we finally arrived at my aunt's place, and then after here we're gonna go to the wedding. Honestly, I was just sleeping in the car. I woke up when they say we arrived. That's me. That's me, and I'm not apologetic for it, honestly. But yeah, I think we're just gonna bath and then get ready for the wedding, and then I'll just start taking contents from there, because I also have to take my brother videos for his YouTube channel and everything like that. So I'm not gonna take much. I'm not gonna take much content. I'm just here for my brother and everything. So
bana ba modimo ke ala morela mo lenyalong la Auswini le brother Lou. So without wasting any further time, la tsore bana ba modimo sa tjo re meme modimo re thume ka modimo.
Love yele leng ka mogare ga yona. Cheers!
Cheers!
Surang.
Even the hands. 1,
It's time to get drunk.
3. We have a bartender.
Clap that tea.
Y'all already know what that means, right?
Yeah.
Right. Rats. Oh, we made a new chomi. Period. We made a new chomi.
You look so pretty.
So it's really fun because we're meeting new people and super excited.
What's up, you guys? We're currently going for a smalanyana hike, so we're just gonna go out, see the mountains, see the greenery. The weather is actually a bit cold, but I believe everything looks beautiful as soon as you see it. So yeah, let's go. Currently at the back of the house. The mountains are actually at the back of our house, so we don't really actually have to go far. We just have to just follow a route, yeah, that just leads up to the mountains and everything. So this is how it looks. There's the back of our house. Yeah. Walking down. I know. Okay. It's the most adorable thing ever. I want to take it home, but I'll let nature take its course because nope. Limpopo, you don't take anything. Limpopo. Nebhodlela lakho bubhodlela awulithathi. Uzothatha. It was just a quick nyana hike because I ain't tryna I might. Yeah, so I'ma cut that. This is the end of the hiking session. We might come back tomorrow because we didn't really go far. We just yeah. What? Talk about basking, darling. What?